Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Farhana bint Islam. Welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. In our previous video, we have shown how to connect peer-to-peer, and in this video, we will go to manage a bus topology. And don't further delay, let's go to the video. So first, we have to take switches because we will go to connect it by switches. So here we have to click, and here you can see different type of switches, so we will go to take this is our four switches, and now we have to connect it with end devices. So I will take PC, at one PC one switch, one PC one switch, this way. So this is different devices, so we have to take what, copper straight wire. Okay, so then this way you have to connect all the PC and switches. Okay, it is done, and now we have to connect these switches. So this is same devices, so we have to take copper crossover. Just connect it this way. Okay, this is connected. So connection is running, because you can see here it is showing green button, and now you can see all the connection part is green button, so it is done. So this is the process of bus topology, and now we have to manage our IP addresses. So let's start. This is our first. I will copy and now just paste here. So IP addressing is done. So now we have to check it is connected successfully or not. So just message pass. See here, this is our PC source address PC4, and our destination address is PC3. So it sent PC4 to PC3. So this way, if you want to give this, it is also successful, and if you want to give it, okay, I will not take anyone, so just simulate it. See, this is the simulation part. It is transferring the message through this wire. Okay, it will send the receiving message. See, this is give the right button. Okay, this is successfully done. Okay, and I will stop the real, I will give the real time, so it is stop. So our our part is completed. So I will save it here. Part 3, bus topology, bus top. Okay, save it here. Okay, done. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. I'll show next in my next video that how to connect ring and others one. Okay, so Allah Hafiz.